What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today we're gonna get them locks locked up. Now, first things first, if you want to get your hair locked up like next day wireless, meaning tomorrow, like right now, you need to go pick you up one of these. This is a crochet needle, crochet hook, however you want to say it. Almost every hair store probably has one of these by now, but you can get a 3 set for under $20, $20 or less. You can get the 1 prong, you can get the 2 prong, you can get the 3 prong individually or together. And I got mine together and it was like $20 or less for the whole set. Obviously, it's gonna be cheaper if you get it individually. So, hey, pick you up one of these crochet needles and get the needling, you know what I mean? Video coming soon to show you how to use that. Now for the long way, if you're wanting to take the long way around and letting your hair go through the stages of budding and locking up by itself, then you're gonna need to know your hair texture. There's different tiers of hair texture. There's 1 through 4, A, B, and C. So if you have 1A hair, that's gonna be your straightest hair. If you got 4C hair, that's gonna be your tightest hair. That's gonna be like that, you know, that Africano. Mine is in between a 3C and a 4B, anywhere up in there. You know what I'm saying? I'm not quite 4C. Now, once you learn your hair texture, you'll know what to put in your hair to better help it lock, what not to put in your hair, because you don't want things to lock up and it be all nasty in there. So you don't want a lot of products in your hair if you got 4C, and really anywhere in the 4s. If you 4A, 4B, 4C, don't put a whole bunch of product in your hair because your hair is gonna hold it tight once it gets in there and it can create buildup. But if you have more of the 3A and up, meaning, you know, anywhere between 1A and 3A, then you might be able to play around with a whole bunch of product and not really risk damaging your locks or causing unnecessary buildup and things of that nature. Like for someone like me, I don't put a lot of products in my hair. I do light oils and use water. Whenever it comes time for a retwist, that's what I do. I don't put a whole bunch of gels and holding oils and all of that stuff. No, it's just water, light oils, and the crochet needle. That's what get it done, you know what I mean? And I don't really use the crochet needle that much because the stage I am in my head, you know, I mean, look at it. It's pretty together. For you, if you're in the beginning stages, which most of y'all are who clicked on this video, you need to be focusing on what does my hair do whenever I put this in it. If I put a whole bunch of product in my hair, is it holding it? Or is it going in my hair the way I want it to? Meaning, is it creating more buildup for me along the road? Or is it actually soaking in and vanishing and my hair is loving it? Just because you have buildup in your hair don't mean that your hair doesn't like the product. You just don't need to use that much of that product. That's what I'm saying. Like if you have that 4A to 4C, you don't need a whole bunch of product. Your hair is already going to be oily anyway. That's just what it is. A lot of the people's scalps that's like mine, your hair is not itching from dryness. It's itching because you got buildup in your hair and it looks like dryness. And your hair is producing oil. Your scalp is producing oil. And the natural oils are drying up because you're not washing it properly or you're not putting the right stuff in your hair and it's looking like it's dry and it's causing your hair to itch. But other people, they need the proper oils and maybe a little bit more oil in their hair and treatment to their hair to make their scalp really not dry because they going through dryness. It's not really build up from natural oils, it's build up from scalp drying up and scaling. Really at this stage when you're trying to get your hair to lock up and you're at the beginning stages, you really just need to wait it out. If you don't have a crochet hook to help you get there sooner, you're gonna have to wait through the budding stages. You're gonna have to go through that look. You're gonna have to wait. It is what it is. It's a part of the game. You have to go through the stages if you want to take the long way. And don't get me wrong, I went through it. I learned a lot from my locks going through the long way. I've done it the easy way, I've done it the hard way. When I first started locks, I did it the long way around. I wanted to go through the journey. I wanted to see what I was made of, waiting it out, going through what people call the quote unquote ugly stage, which doesn't exist. It's just part of the process. You got to go through the budding, you got to go through the frizzy stage, you got to go through all that before they mature. And the only way I found to ditch all those stages is the crochet hook. You know what I mean? Whether you get an interlocking tool or the crochet hook, that's the only way to beat each stage, is to have that crochet hook on hand. That way you don't have to go through the button stage. You can pull all the hair in, or the frizzy stage, you can pull all the hair in. But hey, that's really it. You got all the keys you need to make your hair lock. Go get you a crochet needle and start locking your hair instantly. I mean, you can start at a fro and have locked in mature looking locks today, or whenever you get your crochet needle. You can literally start from long hair, fro, whatever, and lock your hair in like it's been there for years. You know what I mean? But that's the benefit of a crochet needle. go get you a crochet needle if you really want them locked today. But honestly, it really don't matter what you choose, whether you rock with the long way, the long route, or you go on and get it over with and hit the mature stage now. You know what I'm saying? As long as you like your locks and as long as you like the journey, it's all gonna be a journey. It's all still a journey. It don't matter if you get locks overnight or you get locks over the course of a few years. It's all a part of the journey, and I want y'all to love y'all's locks like I love mine. You feel me? Look at your boy rocking it. Cold, boy, I'm telling you. But anyways, man, it's your boy Locked In with Trey. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.